Welcome back to our interior design journey where we explore tips and tricks to help young mothers strengthen their bond with their children. Today, on day 10, we are diving into the wonderful world of organizing and decluttering the bedroom. Join me as we uncover 10 valuable tips to create a calming and tidy environment that nurtures confidence, calmness, happiness, love, and security in your child. Point 1, embrace minimalism. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind. Embrace minimalism by removing unnecessary items and keeping only what sparks joy and serves a purpose in the bedroom. Point 2, storage solutions. Invest in smart storage solutions to keep toys, books, and clothes organized. Utilize basket, bins, and shelves to maximize space and maintain a tidy environment. Point 3, involve your child. Make organizing a fun and interactive activity by involving your child. Teach them the importance of keeping their space clean and organized, fostering a sense of responsibility and ownership. Point 4, create a cozy reading nook. Designate a cozy reading nook where you and your child can bond over stories. Fill it with soft pillows, a comfy chair, and a small bookshelf to encourage a love for reading and create a peaceful atmosphere. Point 5, color psychology. Incorporate calming colors into the bedroom's decor, such as soothing blues and greens. Colors have a profound impact on mood and can help create a serene and relaxing atmosphere. Point 6, implement a daily cleaning routine. Establish a daily cleaning routine that includes simple tasks like making the bed, tidying up toys, and organize belongings. Consistency in maintaining cleanliness promotes a sense of order and calmness. Point 7, utilize vertical space. You can make use of vertical space by installing wall-mounted storage units and hooks. This helps optimize the room's layout, keeps the floor clear, and adds functionality to the bedroom. Point 8, keep surfaces clutter-free. Clear off surfaces like dressers, nightstands to create a peaceful ambience. Limiting clutter on these surfaces allows for a visually pleasing and calming environment. Point 9, incorporate natural elements. Introduce natural elements into the bedroom such as indoor plants and materials like wood and natural fabrics. These elements evoke a sense of tranquility and connection with nature. Point 10, teach organizational skills. Lastly, teach your child valuable organizational skills that will benefit them throughout their lives. By installing these skills early on, you empower your child to feel confident, capable, and in control of their surroundings. As we conclude day 10 of our journey, remember that an organized and decluttered bedroom not only fosters a calming atmosphere but also strengthens the bond between you and your child. Join us tomorrow as we delve into another exciting topic on our mission to create confident, calm, happy, loved, and secure children.